This week, we're going to start by discussing ecology, or the interactions among and between organisms. If environmental science is the study of how humans impact the natural world, ecology is the study of how parts of the natural world interact. This can include humans, but it doesn't always need to. Ecological interactions can happen between the living or biotic components of the environment. We call these organisms. Ecological interactions can also happen between organisms and the non-living physical environment, or the abiotic components of the environment. For example, a salt marsh ecosystem includes organisms like blue crabs, mussels, grass, and seabirds. The salt marsh ecosystem also includes abiotic factors like sunlight, precipitation, atmospheric gases, water and salinity, among many others. All of these biotic and abiotic components interact with each other in some way in this ecosystem. To better tackle this, the study of ecology has been divided into different levels. The basic level of ecology is that of the species, a group of similar organisms whose members freely interbreed to produce fertile offspring. Humans are a species. Honeybees are a species. The next level of organization is the population, a group of organisms of the same species that live in the same area at the same time. For example, a population of African elephants living in the savannah. The next higher level is the community, all of the populations of different species that live and interact in the same area at the same time. All the organisms in the salt marsh make up a community. The largest level of ecology is the ecosystem, a community plus its abiotic environment. The salt marsh ecosystem encompasses both the organisms and the physical environment together. The Earth can be considered an ecosystem that has four parts: the atmosphere, which is the air and everything in it; the hydrosphere, all of the fresh and salt water; the lithosphere, the soil, rocks, and minerals; and the biosphere, which encompasses all living organisms. The biosphere is substantially smaller than the other three.